Brady, drums, Sam, and I'm Adam. And this next song is called And Everyone Can Sing.
And since I'm older than Mel would have me, I don't get a shout out, but I'm Pat. On behalf of the band, we hope it passed the audition.